Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey north on US Highway 11, beginning at Alabama Mile 166 in St. Clair County as we head out of the city of Springville. A sign marked Asheville points to the right at State Route 23, which crosses I-59 and then parallels the interstate to the east up into the center of Asheville. Here, US 11 runs along the northwestern edge of Asheville, one of two county seats of St. Clair County, the other being Pell City. Just ahead, we'll see a junction with US Highway 231, which runs from Panama City, Florida to St. John, Indiana. Initially known as St. Clairsville, Asheville was later renamed in honor of John Ashe, the area's first European settler. John Ashe arrived in 1817 and became the county's inaugural elected judge as well as a state senator. Today, his log home still stands at the heart of the city. Originally, Philip Coleman owned the land where Asheville now stands. He sold 30 acres of that land to a group of 5 commissioners, including John Ashe. These commissioners had been appointed by Governor Thomas Bibb with the purpose of establishing and planning a new county seat. Asheville was officially incorporated in 1822. 2 years later, a log structure served as the first courthouse, which was then replaced by the current courthouse building in 1844. In 1890, the Asheville Railroad Company, a consortium of investors, constructed a railroad line from Asheville to Whitney, connecting with the Alabama Great Southern Railroad. Unfortunately, financial troubles led to the company's bankruptcy in the mid-1890s. Consequently, the railroad tracks were dismantled and sold for scrap. Asheville witnessed the introduction of electric lights in 1891, and the first telephone company was chartered that same year. Residents in the southern half of the county faced challenges when traveling to Asheville due to Backbone Mountain, which divided the county. To address this issue, a satellite county seat was established in Pell City in 1902 on the southern side of the mountain. We enter the town of Steele, which we'll discuss more in the next video as we're running out of time today. We conclude today's video at mile marker 182. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.